with Michael Brooks right here, straight out of North Carolina. Y'all probably know.
Alright, yeah. They got the hardtop class. Hardtop class, they're getting ready. We have Mr. Austin. Austin, you got a name for this car?
What's that?
You got a name for this car?
Yeah, man, Black Ice.
Black Ice.
Yes, sir.
Black Ice. How you feeling about the classes?
Pretty good. I was struggling with the pass I was making earlier, which I kept kicking the tire. Normally the car goes pretty fast on hard tires, but I was fighting the issue where, since we're on foot brake today, my boost versus time ramp only works when I let go of a trans brake. So I've had to put that input on other stuff like my bump button, because the boost versus time table wasn't working. So basically I was trying to bring all my boosts in immediately. So that's why I was kicking the tire. But I think I got it figured out. So we're going in the first round. We got the big wheel S10.
All right. SSP, all right.
Yes, sir. So hopefully we're gonna tear them up.
All right, be safe.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, so we got Austin versus my buddy D. Come on, brother.
What's up, cool?
Okay, dog.
Hold the Malibu up. Somebody hold the Malibu up. I need the Mustang. Okay. Let me get the Mustang behind them. I need the Mustang. Hold the Malibu up. I need to come on the hill. Let's go. Man, roll the Mustang on down. Roll it on down. Roll it on down. When it come back to the station lane. Roll it on down.
said,